I bought a house, so now I have to move this car to said house. And this is a problem because it looks like this. All right, so the first step is going to be installing the motor. Now, it is currently still connected to the transmission and the drive shaft is still on. So all I have to do is lift up on it and reconnect the subframe, which sounds easy in practice. But when it's in gravel and it's 90 degrees outside, it's not that simple. So we're gonna get this tractor fired up. This is our engine crane. And we're gonna go ahead and get this motor back up in the car. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so that was attempt number one at trying to get this thing back up in. And as you can imagine, it's incredibly difficult by yourself. This sucks. The biggest problem I'm having is number one, with the transmission on, of course it's weighted backwards, so I have the jack underneath of it. But when the jack cannot move because it's in gravel, it becomes a pivot point, which is actually really bad. Which just makes this so difficult. The other thing I'm having an issue with is the rad support. I doubt you can see that, but it's catching on one of the pulleys on the front. And yeah, overall this is pretty tough. The tractor's having a hard time lifting it. So I ended up getting more cribbing underneath of it. I lifted it up about 4 inches and put some blocks under. So I think I'm gonna try and readjust the chain and try it again until we get it up in, but I think that's the move, is just trying to crib it every single time I can until it's all the way up. But yeah, this is miserable as I expected. We'll get there. Alright guys, we are making progress slowly. I have this front corner on, it's actually bolted on, and that corner is giving us trouble because the subframe isn't actually square, it's kinda towed a little bit. So I'm trying to drag the transmission to the side to kind of angle it and get that in. And we're almost there, but we need to top this thing off on hydraulic fluid because she is getting pretty foamy. If you look, I gotta turn this up. Right there. That should be full and it's not. So, we're almost there. Almost got it in. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we got it. Oh, that was a fight and a half. Holy cow. It's in. Oh. It is so unbearably hot outside, and this thing fought me so hard. Thanks to Pops and my brother for helping out, but as you can see, we are lined up. The only thing I have to do now is put the, what is it, the transmission crossmember bolts back in. And then I just got to reconnect my arms. And we can slap wheels on this thing and put it on the ground. Oh, I can't wait. And to be honest, the bay might look like this for another summer because I'm not ripping this back out to paint it. Screw that. That's a pain. But, alright. That's it for today. I'm going to come back tomorrow and we'll finish this thing off. I'm so excited. That was such a big step. Alright, we are back. Day 2 working on this thing. So, as you saw, we got the motor up in the car, which is fantastic news. Now we need to get the transmission bolted up in. So currently we just have a jack on it and that's not going to fly. So we need to take these bolts here, there's 6 of them, and bolt our transmission cross member to the car. And then once we do that, we should just have suspension work and then we'll be ready. So let's get to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are underneath the car. And there is the objective right there. Need to put those bolts in on both sides. And then we will have a bolted up transmission. Let's go. I'm so happy to be underneath this car right now. Can you tell? Can you even see my face? Probably not. Oh, but Ryan, you love working on your 1990 300ZX. You guys ever just sit under your car like this? This jack hates me right now. Oh no. Everything from here back is good. Now we have to do this, which if you notice, if you grab a hold of this wheel, nothing is tied down. So, control arm, I need to put the sway, or not the sway bar, the tie rods back on, and also the tension rods. Oh yeah, look right there. So this needs addressed, like that guy right there. So, essentially all the arms need put back on, and then we can put the wheels on. I am beyond happy right now. This is crazy. Look at this. It's back together. Temporarily, I guess. This is crazy. I haven't seen this car finished exterior-wise in like a year and a half, probably. This is crazy. Look at the dust on this thing. Looks cool, though. I dig it. Oh, man, this is crazy. this is the point that I wanted to get it to. There's a few more things hanging down below the car. Random stuff here, brake lines, and then we have to hook up the intermediate shaft for the steering wheel so we can turn the wheels, and then she's ready to get moved, which you guys still haven't seen the new house, which I'm excited. Oh, another probably week. Another week, and then I can finally get the Z into its home. Its first home, an actual home. But anyways, that's gonna do it for me. For tonight at least. I'll probably cut to whenever Nick is here with his truck and trailer, and we're getting ready to load this thing up. So, here in the next few days. But I'm exhausted. I got work in the morning. So, let's get out of here. There's no way. What? Why are you doing this? All right, we are done. This car is 100% ready to be transported. Oh my gosh, what a process. If you guys want to see the inside. Look at all the mold. But everything is tied up and the steering wheel works. So this thing is going on a trailer in 2 days to the new house, which you guys haven't seen yet. But man, look at this thing. Oh man, I gotta get this thing back soon enough. This man built a trailer and then can't actually back it up. What's going on here?
Don't video this. This is embarrassing.
What that noise is. Oh, it's the drive shaft.
Is it hitting the ground or anything?
No, I just have it tied up so you're hearing the yoke. Taking the Z for a walk. We can take it to the grass right there. I don't think it'll take off.
Good.
Okay, straighten out.
Ho, 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 ho. You are,
Are you gonna hit?
you're quarter inch from hit.
Right just a little bit, Rye. Yeah.
Nick, you want to come back here and help us push it?
Yeah. Well, I can pull.
Don't stand on the back. I got it. I'm good.